Let's face it, there's not a lot of homes out there on the market right now. Here in San Clemente, there's just a little over 100 homes available. And finding that perfect 5-bedroom home in San Clemente under $2 million is even more challenging, let alone finding one that offers 4 full bathrooms, a cul-de-sac location, an ocean view community, and completely updated and remodeled throughout. I'm standing here in front of my newest listing that offers you all of that and so much more. Welcome to 802 Futura. Let's go take a look. Welcome to your new home. Amazing 2-story ceilings and an abundance of windows to really light up the home very naturally and give it a fresh, cheery feel. I'm here in the formal living and dining room spaces, and back behind me is a gorgeous kitchen. Let's go take a look. So here we are in your new kitchen, which is beautifully finished in stone and marble finishes. It's got beautiful soft gray cabinetry, a full suite of stainless steel appliances, including a handy beverage refrigerator, and of course a walk-in pantry. It flows right into your family room space, which is perfect for gatherings with family and friends. The entire house has no carpet. We have gorgeous tile and wood laminate flooring throughout. Finishing off your main level is a bedroom and a full bathroom suite, and of course, a 3-car garage. Let's go upstairs and check out the other 4 bedrooms, including a stunning primary suite. Here we are on the 2nd level of your new home, going into, of course, the primary suite, which has stunning trees and green views. And of course, it offers a beautiful ensuite with dual sink vanities and a soaking tub plus separate shower. Check out your new walk-in closet. It's been fully finished and customized as well. The entire 2nd level is also the wood laminate flooring, and it offers 3 more guest rooms, including one with a private ensuite, and 2 of the other guest rooms share a hall bathroom. You also have laundry on the upper level, which is something most people really appreciate. Now, you've got over 2,700 square feet in this home, and it feels so much bigger because, of course, the wide, spacious hallways and the open feel throughout the home. All right, we've seen your fabulous new home. Let's go check out your yard space. So one of my favorite features of this home is this fabulous outdoor space. It really offers everything that you need. Of course, you've got a barbecue and bar area, plus plenty of room for dining. You've also got a private spa in your backyard and tons of privacy as well. There's really room for everything you'd want to do. Plus, you're located on a cul-de-sac, and I've already mentioned you're in an ocean view community as well. For more details, pictures, and the floor plan, go to the website 802futura.com. I'm Michelle Wilson with First Team Estates Christie's International. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time.